Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Alright, as you can see, our brake pedal is worn right here, so we're going to take it off. Just take your hands, grab underneath the rubber part of the pedal. We'll just slide it off. Just like that. And slide it off over here. Just like that. Here's our old brake pedal cover. Here's our new brake pedal cover from 1aauto.com. If you look at, they both have the same ridges in them. Flip them over, the backs are the same. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. We're going to install the new one. You're going to slide the lower part of the pedal in to here. Just slip that on and then slip it over on the back side there. And then we'll come on this side, slip it over, just like a sheet on a bed. You're just going to slide it over the back. You start the corners first. And then slip that on like that. And then right under here, you're going to slip it on over here. Just like that. You could use some trim tools or a screwdriver to help you. Slide it over. Make sure that's lined up right. And it looks good. Now the new pedal, it goes on with this curved part on the bottom. So slip the top part in up there and the curved part on the bottom. There you go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.